Hi, my name, as usual, my name is Shukru Semioni, and today we're going to talk about creating a competitive advantage. So today we are going to focus on competitors. So today also I will refer to MTN, to Inyang Industry Limited in Rwanda, so to get more clarification and insight about this topic. So after reading the pre-class materials, so we come up with 5 questions with different topics that will more engaging or comprehensive and understanding about this topic. And today I'm going to refer to 6 steps of competitive analysis process. So the first process is defining your goal. So this is when you identify your competitors. For example, if it's in young industry and you want to analyze the competitors about their milk, so you're going to specify their competitors, those providers of milk like Inyange, Mukamira, and also if this water is going to Kosating, River, Jibu, so on. And then develop a competitive strategies. After analyzing and understanding and identifying those competitors, so you need to have a clear strategy in order to be competitive on the market. The second is determine what data you need to correct. So since you are searching the information and data to make those decision making, so you need to have relevant information. So as I said before, if you want to compete and you want to compete as a young to the market of milk, so you need to understand and collect those data relating to milk only, not go invest of a big data by consulting in all information. So you need to specify what you need. So after specifying what you need according to your goal, so you will get relevant information based on deciding and making decisions. The third one is identify your competitors. So this is where you know your competitors in inside and deep manner. So you understand the quality of their product compared to yours, their price, and the financial position of their market. When it comes to the price, it's when you're going to based on creating a cost, if you want diminish the price, so you're going to also see their financial positions, where they have the gap in investing their product and they meet the target audience. The fourth is collecting. Just you are in act of collecting the data. After identifying what you need, the data you need to collect, so you are going to collecting the data. You can collect your data through interview, surveys, focus group, and questionnaire as the means of collecting your data. After collecting your data, you need to analyze the data, where you will base on SWOT analysis and the competitor's position map. See, in SWOT analysis, where you will find their weakness and their strength. So you are going to base on to their strength, to their weakness, and make improvement and make difference. On their strength, you need to add on and make difference compared to what they have. The last step is analyzing the competitive strategies. Since you are analyzing those competitors, so you need to understand their strategies in order to come with a strong and argumental strategies to compete them. Okay. The second is we are going to talk about Porter's 5 process. So according to Porter's, This put five processes, a business strategy that's help the business to understand the competitors' landscape of the company. This is where you rivalry among existing firms. So, like you're understanding the firm that they are existing, that they are producing the same product as you want to produce. For example, you are like looking at their size, their numbers. For example, if you are running your business in Rwanda, so you need to like how many business in Rwanda that produce the same product as I am going to produce as in Yangi. And the second is trait of new entry. So this is where you're going to analyze the barriers and those assumption or risk that are on the market to the new entrants. So the third one is bargaining power of surprise. Of course, you need the resource and the so you need to have a procurement skills in order to like compete on the market. So since the market is invest in what you need and produce what will give you the harvest, so you need to act and collaborate with stakeholders like suppliers. So since the suppliers are limited or are not big enough to mean their power will go beyond. If there are a lot of like our supplier have a lot of competitors, it will be our strength to like negotiate about their price. The fourth one is bargaining power of your buyers. This is crucial. So since you are like understanding and you are able to make your product unique, this will enable the customer to convince about reducing the price. So to make that, you need to make high quality, good service, and the appropriate price. Okay. And the last one is trait of substitute product or service. This is where you analyze those products that like give the similar function as yours. Since you understand those top products that can compete to you, so this will challenge you to mean you are going to understand that product and make some difference to make stronger product and the advantage and have a strong perceive of the product to the customers. The third one is balancing both competitors and the customer orientation. So, in order to be successful in the business, you need to understand your competitors at the same time your buyers. So, the following are how you can balance of your competitors and then your customers. So the first is understanding your customers. So if you understand your customers, so you will know and have an insight of their interests, their preference. So based on those understanding of your customers, to me, you are going to have a clear difference and focus on their needs in order to compete on the market. Okay. The second one is understanding your competitors. Since you understand their weakness and strength, so you will base on to that to strength to bring up with strong competitive advantages. The last one is creating value for customers. This is where you create a clear and unique product which is have a higher quality and which meet the satisfaction of your customers. The fourth one is engaging your customer. Since you are engaging your customer, so your customer will involve in your manufacturing or involving in producing that product, and they will base on and contribute their interest about that product. The fourth one is strategy to achieve competitive position. There are three